Hi there, and welcome to this quick and helpful guide. Whether you're looking to improve your privacy or just want to keep your browsing clean, today's video will show you how to make Brave Browser automatically clear your data every time you exit. Let's dive right into the step-by-step instructions. First, open the Brave browser on your mobile device. Next, tap the three-dot menu located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. Now, scroll further down the page until you find the option that says Clear Data on Exit. Finally, toggle the switch next to this option to enable it. This ensures that your browsing data will be deleted automatically whenever you close the app. That's all it takes to keep your browsing clean and private. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.